Welcome back, viewers. In last two videos, we have seen how we done the installation of the Ubuntu GNOME desktop on Linux Mint. Then we did the checkout of the Ubuntu GNOME desktop that we had installed. Then we checked out the vanilla GNOME desktop that was also installed as a part of the dependency of the Ubuntu GNOME desktop on Linux Mint 21.2. So that was a very enriching experience, and now we move forward, and in this video we will install the Budgie desktop in Linux Mint. So let us start. So first you have to give the command to search the package to install the Budgie. So it is a meta package that we will have to search, just like we did search the GNOME desktop package. So this is it. You have searched all the available packages for the Budgie, and just we will scroll from the top to the bottom. So here the Budgie desktop is also available. You can see this is the first package, meta package, that can install the Budgie desktop. We will just go below. Let us see if any other package is there. Yes, so the Ubuntu Budgie desktop is also available. So this is the Ubuntu Budgie desktop package that is available. So you can install the Ubuntu Budgie desktop meta package, or you can install the Ubuntu where it was, just a moment. Yes, so this is the Ubuntu Budgie desktop package as per the Debian specification. So this is the Debian meta package, and this is the bottom one is the Ubuntu desktop meta package. So you can choose between any of the two. So what we will do is, let us go with the Debian package. So we will install this Budgie desktop. So for that installation, what you have to do is, you have to just issue the command sudo apt install Budgie desktop. That's it. And if you want to install the Ubuntu, then you have to use Ubuntu Budgie desktop. That's it. So rest all things are same. So they will have these two, both meta package have a different dependencies, because the Ubuntu Budgie desktop will install some more packages, some more we can say more theming will be there in the Budgie Ubuntu Budgie, and less theming, less packages will be there in the Budgie Debian meta package, because the Debian prefers the clean look, the vanilla look, while the Budgie is a heavily themed desktop. Any of the desktops of Ubuntu are heavily themed, while the Debian the desktops are plain vanilla. They prefer to go with the vanilla or the plain look. So in the last videos we have seen the Ubuntu GNOME desktop. So I thought maybe for the Budgie we will go with the Debian meta package or the Debian configs. So now let us start. So we have used this. I will again show you. This is it. This package we are going to install. So this is the Debian meta package, and the below one was the Ubuntu meta package. So we are not going to use Ubuntu. That's it. Now we will just proceed ahead with the installation. You can see here very less packages are there. Whenever you go for the Debian meta package for install any desktop, there will be very minimal number of packages that need to be installed. Now also keep this in mind, we are already on the Cinnamon desktop. Cinnamon desktop is having the GNOME technologies as the base, whereas the Budgie also has GNOME technologies as a base. So now we are just shifting from the Cinnamon to the Budgie. So very less number of packages will be downloaded, because many of the packages are already there from the GNOME group. So you don't require that many packages to be installed. So the basic GNOME is there. Technologies are already there on the laptop. So now you have to just continue. The installation will be very fast because it is the Debian config. So those are vanilla and very fast to execute. Ubuntu, as you've seen in the installation of the GNOME desktop, Ubuntu takes hell lot of time because there are a lot many extra packages are there because it is heavily modified, heavily themed. This Debian is very fast to install. Already half the progress has been done. That's it. The installation is complete. So we have completely installed the this Debian Budgie Desktop on Linux Mint 21.2, and in the next video we will check out the actual desktop, how it works, whether it is stable or not. So that will come in the next video. I will now stop this video here. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.